Hello, my true lovers. Welcome to Perfect Tasting with True Lerato. This time around, we are making a sandwich wrap. Let's wrap it up. It already sounds and tastes delicious. A tip to make your wrap more tasty, you can warm the wrap in the microwave for 10 seconds. It will make it more easier to wrap later on. It's a simple and delicious wrap. But this time around, we're just gonna need your hands to be ready with the knife, and it's just gonna be a simple process. You're gonna use your knife to just do a 1/4 to make it easy for you to add all your fillets into this wrap. You can add your favorite ingredients to this recipe. I've just simply cut my chicken burger into strips. It's up to you what you create with this recipe. You have 4 parts to add your fillings. I've just added a slice of tomato and I'm just adding cucumbers. Let's add a raw vegetable element to this wrap for some crunch and fresh flavor. Ensure the ingredients are in the middle to easily fold this wrap. Let's fold over from 1/4 to 2, fold to 3, fold to 4. And here you go, we've got a sandwich wrap that's tasty and ready to be eaten. Thank you, my true lovers, for watching till the end. Until next time, let's create more tasty meals with True Lerato. Bye for now.